So today I want to introduce you to a new segment called Mailbag Monday. Yes. So on Mondays, I will be reading mail that either myself or my clients or my colleagues get. Basically the type of mail that as a consumer who's owning a house or looking at a house, that when you guys get this stuff, you should just tear it up. It's deceptive marketing. It's very confusing. It completely confuses everyone on how to trust a lender. And so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through one that I got, yay, and I'm going to walk you through a couple red flags to look out for. And that's what we'll do on Mailbag Monday. We're just going to start like tearing these letters apart until lenders stop sending them. Stop trying to confuse consumers, guys. If you have to confuse someone to get their business, get out of the business. You shouldn't be in it, okay? There, that was my talk to lenders. Okay, so this one's amazing. It's super good. There's a couple things on it. First of all, it says questions, call the Department of Records. What is the Department of Records? This isn't my mortgage company. They don't have my records. If they have any records on me, they're hackers. So they're saying call the Department of Records so they look more official, right? Sometimes these things will come in like, it will look like certified mail, but it's really not. But they're just saying that because they found that like the average American, the consumer, if you say call Department of Records, you look legit. Well, here's the news. If you say call Department of Records, you're not legit, okay? Flag number one. Okay, now it says no appraisal, no closing costs, term reduction, and skip 2 payments. Wow, cool. And it says, Dear Jennifer Beeston, we've identified you're eligible for an estimated $31,000 cash in hand for a new payment of $22.92 per month at 2.99%. If this is lower than your combined payments, please call us immediately. You ready for the fun part? Okay. We've done our homework. You already have what it takes to qualify. Now that part is bolded and underlined. And what's upsetting about that is they have no idea if I qualify. I could have quit my job yesterday and I might have retired. They don't know anything about me. They know nothing. But the reason they're putting that phrase in is it's basic marketing. People are concerned that lenders are going to deny them. So if a lender is saying, hey baby, you've already got this, they feel comfortable, they feel cozy, they feel safe. This is BS, guys. BS. Anyways, and then it says a 5-minute phone call enables you to defer up to 2 mortgage payments, reduce your interest rate, and get cash out. Cash out is in all caps, while paying no out-of-pocket closing costs. Okay. And then it has a loan amount, additional cash, a proposed loan amount, and then this is actually my favorite part. I'm going to try to show this to you. Okay. Can you see that? Oh, I hope you can see that. It says new debt-free payment. Yeah, my new debt-free payment would be $22.92. So hold on a second. Don't you make payments on debt? Yeah. So how do I have a debt-free payment? What does that mean? Doesn't mean anything. It just sounds good. So once again, red flag. And then it has a credit approval number. Official. It's not. So what happens a lot is people see these and they go, wow, that's great. No appraisal, no closing costs, term reduction, skip 2 payments. I just talked to Jen Beeston and she told me that I would have closing costs and, I did need an appraisal, right? Because, I actually really do my homework. And they go, cool, I'm going to call them. This is going to be great. No, guys, never call a lender without reading the disclaimer. So whenever you get one of these, if it looks super good, what I want you to do is if you don't see a big paragraph at the bottom of the form, I want you to, are you ready? Flip it over. Okay. I know I'm too amused with myself on this, but this is like my pet peeve. These letters kill me. Okay, so here we go. The disclaimer. Payment example is based on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage amortized over 360 months. Okay. Cool. Fixed rate at 2.99 with 2 discount points. Cost-effective APR is 3.2125. 740 FICO. Loan to value of 60% or below. The loan amount needs to be over $250. Primary residence only. To activate my savings, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so wait a second. This said no closing costs. And this rate right here of 2.99, why is it saying no closing costs up here, but 2.99 down there? How can they do that? It's an asterisk. Yeah, so basically anything with an asterisk can be like completely, you know, it's like, we're gonna send you to the moon. And then you could have on the back like, hey, you know, if we could send you to the moon, we'd love to, but because of current moon travel, we're unable to do that, but thank you. So it's just, it's deceptive, guys. It's deceptive. I mean, this gets past compliance and regulators don't have a ton of luck, or maybe they're not looking. I don't know, regulators. If you guys are watching this, can you tell me like how this stuff happens? Because I can see where they're kind of tricking it out, because they're saying, well, paying no out-of-pocket closing costs. And no out-of-pocket closing costs means they're increasing your loan amount to cover it. But here it says no closing costs. And it contradicts. So the bottom line is that whenever you see something like this, and actually I should clarify this because a lot of people don't know what a point is. So a point is 1% of the loan amount. So based on this and this, they're basically saying for me to get down to the 2.99 and take that 30K out, I need to pay over $10,000 to get that rate. $10,000 to get that rate. That is what the back of this paper tells me, $10,000 to get the rate. So when you guys are seeing this stuff, please read the disclaimers. If you see something and you're like, this is so good, and you're not sure, call me, email, text me. And if you get a really good one, can you send it to me? Because I think the only way to stop this type of lender behavior, I hope this doesn't sound terrible on the mic, is to out it, right? If you're a lender and you're sending out stuff like this, it is my right as an American to read it. So